What are the consequences of stress? Because stressed employees can't perform to their fullest potential, managers need to know how to help them. This includes recognizing the negative effects of workplace stress. Strains are the consequences or outcomes of stress, or the things that it causes. We can divide strains into at least two categories. First, organizational strains. These can be costly for the organization, including people missing work or quitting altogether. Other examples include decreased organizational commitment, decreased creativity, poor decisions, and more mistakes. Second, individual strains. These can be divided into three categories: behavioral, psychological, and physiological. Behavioral strains tend to be things we can easily measure, like accidents and absenteeism. High levels of stress can prevent us from doing our job and increase the chances we make a mistake. Stress can also lead to withdrawal behaviors, like tardiness and turnover, as well as counterproductive work behaviors, such as stealing supplies or excessive checking of social media. Our ability to process information is also impaired, affecting things like our memory, reaction time, and decision-making. Psychological strains include outcomes such as job dissatisfaction, psychological burnout, and low-quality interactions with others. It can also cause sleeping difficulties and prompt the onset of depression and anxiety. In addition, psychological burnout has received a lot of attention in the news. Employees suffering from it often talk about three different components. Emotional exhaustion means they are emotionally drained by their work. Low personal accomplishment means they are unable to deal with problems effectively and get things done. And depersonalization means they are detached from their coworkers and supervisors. Together, these components make it difficult for people to do their jobs to the best of their ability. Managers need to take action quickly when they think employees are suffering from burnout. You'll learn more about how to manage employee stress in a future video. The third category of individual-level strains includes physiological strains, like the common cold, the flu, and digestion problems, as well as more serious conditions such as diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. This is because our body's immune system and other normal functions are weakened when we spend our mental and physical energy coping with stress. As you can see, stress can have a devastating effect on employees and organizations. But not everyone experiences stress in the same way. In the next video, you'll learn more about these individual differences.